Wow, that's a big old chunk of petrified wood right there, huh? Is that a big chunk? Look at that. Juniperific. It's time for some potatoes. I've got my Kerrygold. I've got my Kerrygold butter. I don't think you can hear that, but there's coyotes in the background. Well, it is a beautiful night here in one of the many places that I just tend to pass through on my way to get to another destination. And thanks to a friend of mine, he told me about this very spot right here. He gave me GPS coordinates. I looked it up on a map and looked promising. I think this is going to make a good home base for the next couple days. Well, good morning. As you can tell and hear, it's pretty damn windy out here today. So let's just move you to an area that has less wind so you can actually hear me. So what I was thinking what we're going to do today is let's go take a trip down into Medora and maybe drive over into Teddy Roosevelt National Park a little bit. I've never been there before. Man, there's gonna be so much wind noise. I apologize. Let's hit the road and go and visit Medora. It is so windy right now. I have to take a break behind this juniper tree. It's pretty. Look at that. Juniperific. Smells like gin. Now look at that. Isn't that something? I'll put my dog next to it so you can have reference. That's a pretty decent sized chunk of petrified wood if I've ever seen one. Is that a big chunk? Look Look at that chonker. Oh, what a beaut. Man, I tell you what, this is some really cool geology. Look at that stuff. Isn't that cool? I'm just hoping for the moment that I go around a corner and I see a fossil just hanging out. Of course, I will abide by the laws and not disturb it, if that's the law. I don't know what the law is. Pretty darn special, this place, though. I can't believe I've never stopped. Such interesting geology. What are you doing up there? What are you doing? This wind is preposterous. It is just blowing like crazy out there. It's at the point where it's not even enjoyable to be outside. I'm just gonna put that away. Save that for later. And I'm going to cook the potatoes. Oh, the potato. It's time for some potatoes. I've got my Kerrygold. I've got my Kerrygold butter. Oh, it's so delicious. Oh, Kerrygold butter. It's the best butter in the world. Oh. There used to be a great town alone on the Seine. You became a light on the dark side of me. Love and pain. These are some damn good looking potatoes. I'll give them that. They're beautiful. Yukon Golds. The best potatoes. And I've got some Irish butter to go with them.
Oh, she's feeling herself.
Sorry,
you say to not
she didn't like that.
East, you're only gonna find cold.
You know what? It's looking like about Tuesday at 5. And a couple videos ago, I made the fatal error of dropping one of my videos Tuesday at 5 Central Standard Time. I'm not going to make that mistake anymore. Because there's this one guy, I think his name's Lenny, Carrie, or Gary, or Benny. He seems to have the market cornered. 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Every Tuesday. And I'm getting several comments in my comments thread about this guy. And that's one of the reasons why I left Minnesota. Because I was scared that I was encroaching on his turf. And I don't want no beef. Because that guy looks like he doesn't mess around. You all know who I'm talking about too, don't you? I don't even know what I'm going to do with this video. I have so many videos like this where I only have enough footage for like maybe 5 minutes or so. Well, actually, now that I think of it, I could just straight up make those videos and end them after 5 minutes because my audience retention times are complete and total shite. How do I keep y'all entertained? I don't know what to do. I know that talking too long and not changing perspectives is one of the things that will keep people entertained. You always have to change perspectives. I think I might be balding. Oh my Lanta, look at that. Sorry for the language, but I just get excited about food. Oh yeah, look at those potatoes. Those are beautiful potatoes. I am basically out of food except for the basics. That was very redundant. I am essentially out of the food except the basics. So it is literally meat and potatoes tonight. Not too shabby of a view, if I might say so myself. We got a little bit of rain earlier, pretty much at the same time that I ran out to grab you, the camera. Look, I'm Bernie Sanders. The millionaires and billionaires. Oh, and just like that, I lost 90% of subscribers from Vermont. That's okay. You know why that's okay? Because I make my own maple syrup. Yeah. And it's better too. Minnesota's maple syrup tastier than Vermont maple syrup. Shots fired. It's not a lie if it's the truth. It is getting smoky in here. Oh shit. Oh, it almost got me. That's how you know a man's cooking. Right there. That damn thing goes off.
Trees 300 to 400 yards wide were completely laid down. The shelter there was completely destroyed.
Ah, all right. Nobody needs to see a middle-aged man plow down on some food. So, this is the end of the video. Thanks for swinging by, and we'll see you on the next one.